First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back. So guys, let me show you what unbalanced load or when a machine is not well leveled. You see this one? It's not well leveled. So let me show you what happens if you don't fix that. So let's force a spin. We need to remove the water. Let's pause. Then we power it off. This being an LG, it doesn't have a spin option. So to put it on spin, you just come here, power it on, press spin, and then start. So it's on number 14, done with the draining. So let's see how the machine behaves. Remember, I've removed the top panel. So let's see how the machine looks like from the inside when it has unbalanced load or when it's not well leveled like this. You see it's shaking. So let's see. It's picking speed. Remember, it's not loaded. It's worse when the machine is loaded, so make sure your machine is well leveled. You see, when it's leveled,